Have you ever wondered if the terrifying Megalodon, the largest shark to ever exist, is still alive today? Some claim it roams the deep oceans, hiding from human eyes. But what is the truth? Let's dive into the mystery of the Megalodon. Megalodon, Carcharocles megalodon, was the largest shark species that ever lived, dominating the oceans around 23 to 3.6 million years ago. It was nearly 50 to 60 feet, 15 to 18 meters, long, making it 3 times larger than a great white shark. Megalodon sharks were found in warm, shallow seas around the world. Their fossils have been discovered in North and South America, Europe, Africa, and even Asia. Scientists believe they preferred coastal regions where food was abundant. Megalodon was a super predator, feeding on whales, dolphins, sea turtles, and even other sharks. With teeth measuring over 7 inches, 18 centimeters, long, Megalodon could easily crush bones with a bite force estimated to be over 40,000 pounds per square inch. One of the strongest bites in history. Scientists believe that Megalodon went extinct around 3.6 million years ago due to climate change. The oceans became colder, and Megalodon's prey started disappearing. Rising competition, smaller, more adaptable predators like the great white shark took over. Food shortage, large prey populations declined, making it hard for Megalodon to survive. Despite popular myths and fake internet videos, there is no scientific evidence that Megalodon exists today. Some people believe it could be hiding in the deep ocean, but experts argue that a shark this large would need a huge amount of food, making it impossible to go unnoticed. So, is Megalodon still alive? Most likely not, but its legend continues to haunt our imagination. What do you think? Could Megalodon still be lurking in the ocean depths? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon.